Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, if you spend only 5 to 6 minutes to watch this video, really I promise you never lose your time to make decisions for your trousers selections. Dear viewers, before we get started, don't forget to share and like. If found it helpful, please subscribe the channel for more crocheting tips and tricks. We are here to show you always creative and inspiring tips for your crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet trousers, so we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crochet trousers. Crochet trousers might seem like an unconventional choice, but they offer a range of benefits that make them versatile opinion. Here are some potential benefits of crochet trousers which we want to share with you. So let's start the crochet trousers benefits. Personal connection. Owning or creating crochet trousers can foster a personal connection to your clothing, as they often reflect personal effort or unique artistry. Versatile styling. Crochet trousers can be styled with a variety of tops and accessories to create different looks. Warm weather friendly. The open wave is particularly advantageous for staying cool in hot climate. Craft community. Sport crochet artisans in crochet community can be fulfilling and supportive. Eco-friendly choice. Choosing natural fibers and handmade options can reduce your environmental footprint. Lightweight fabric. Ideal for travel, crochet trousers are easy to pack and lightweight. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like, so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Adjustable waist. Many crochet trousers features adjustable waistbands or ties for a custom fit. Affordable. Depending on the source and material, crochet trousers can be a cost-effective fashion choice compared to high-end brands. Artistic appeal. Crochet trousers often have an artistic handmade quality that can enhance your overall look. Personal satisfaction. Making or owning crochet trousers can provide a sense of personal satisfaction. Pattern variety. Crochet offers endless pattern possibilities, from simple design to complex texture. Cultural significance. Crochet has a rich history and cultural significance in various parts of the world, adding depth to the garments. Easy care. Depending on the fiber used, some crochet trousers can be machine washed, making them low maintenance. Durability. With proper area, crochet garments can be quite durable and last for many years. Conversation starter. Dear viewers, with the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. Thank you for watching.